Merry Christmas and welcome to my channel here at Carolina's Cottage. This is Johnny. We're a few weeks away from Christmas and I want to share some things in today's video that I think are just the essence of Christmas for decorating and celebrating. In this part of the world, we wish for snow and cold weather and a cozy fire. We seldom get snow here in Central Texas, so I included a bit from 2017 when we did. Something else that seems quaint and cozy for the Christmas season is a little cabin in the woods. My family and I were blessed with a little cabin for a time, and I'd like to share how we enjoyed it during the winter season. We were blessed with snow, wild animals, and beautiful sunsets during the time that we lived in this cabin. We happened to live in the cabin during the Snowmageddon experience in early 2021 when most places in Texas froze and our grid went down. Because our cabin had a wood stove, we were never without heat or the ability to cook. The Christmas season was especially enjoyable, and we used the fireplace or the wood stove at every opportunity. Decorating for Christmas was simple, and I used traditional red and green with white lights. The family also enjoyed the slower pace of wood fires and country cooking. This Christmas, one of my daughter-in-laws cooked an apple pie using the wood stove. The first few years, my decorating was more rustic and Texas style, but I gravitated back to my comfortable cottage style decorating, and it fit just fine with the cabin even during the Christmas season. All of my furniture was thrifted, and most of it I chalk painted. I used some of the IOD stamps to help this bench match the chairs that I reupholstered. After a cold day, it was nice to have a warm soak in this wooden tub. And our kitties enjoyed the fireplace and the wood stove. Christmas and cold weather was especially enjoyable at this cabin in the woods. We are all familiar with the Christmas story. The birth of Jesus is the reason for the season. Romans 1:20 tells us that God's divine nature is clearly seen in creation, and that is especially evident in the Christmas story. In the book of Romans, the explanation of why Jesus walked among us is clearly presented, and I encourage you to spend some time in the book of Romans and other scriptures this season. This time of year is unique for drawing us closer to what matters. We are grateful for our humble beginnings and the opportunities we've had to work hard, making memories with our families. We're grateful for these special memories as everyone is growing up and getting older. And here's a real treat, a Texas armadillo up close and personal. I didn't realize they have furry legs until I got this close. Wherever you are, I hope you are enjoying this season. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.